Let's start our daily with the calm nature. What is chirping birds? I love this bird thing. I'm gonna pour some soda on the glass cup. Pouring so many fizzy drinks for everyone to have for breakfast. For drinks. So let's turn on the TV to watch. It is my time for an awesome recipe. Let's go and hold it. Hooray! Let's go and make one big delicious recipe. Are you all guys relaxed? Fine, we are all relaxed together. We are all happy and relaxed to watch this tvOS news. The news topics are so... I'm awake. I'm just about to wake up and get ready for a relaxing soda. Mischief, could I have one piece of soda? Here you go. I'm gonna drink it at the living room because my chef is cold. We're the two chefs. Let's go and pour a bit more soda and fizzy drinks. The people will be amazed. I cannot believe I'm so busy today, working really hard for all the people to get. Cannot believe we're all so busy cooking. Hey, who broke this glass? Who wants to play a game of baseball? Me.
Fizzy drink or soda or something?
There you go. Your own guaranteed soda for good to take home.
Okay, great. All coming home. Goodbye.
Soda. Good. This soda will have someone that could take it everywhere for the home to drink it. Hooray!
Oh, show me something.
This is